please watch out for these scams. This scam is someone claiming to be your friend and asking you to do stuff. Click on links and all that. Let me explain. So just beware, don't click on these scams. A friend of mine sent me a DM in Instagram and it was strange. I got it at, there you go, at 4:30, 4:31 in the morning, saying, please, I need your help. Crying emoji, praying hands. At 4:30 in the morning, I'm like, I didn't see it until 8:45, and I was like, oh, is she okay? What's happening? She never usually messages, so there must be something going on, right? So I said, hey, what's up? This is the response. I was trying to get my account into my new device. Is not working and is requesting, not it's, for someone to help receive a help link. I was already like, this isn't her. Who's this? I was like, that's strange. It shouldn't ask for a friend to receive a link. I've never heard of this happening. Like, come on. How stupid do you think I am? Don't fall for this. People claiming to be your friends. Check your SMS message. Send me the link sent to you. SMS message? What? So you're sending me messages on my phone? How do you have my phone number? Yay! I was like, something is wrong. I said, no link. I think you've been hacked. Who is this? It's not really her, is it? I was like, it's not really, is it? They say, what are you talking about? Oh, did I catch you off guard? So I kept replying. You know, by now I should have been like, I'm done. But I wanted to keep replying. I was like, I got a message asking me to reset my password. So they sent me a message. That's not right. You shouldn't be able to do that, surely, unless it's hacking. They're like, no, not at all. Now I'm thinking, how do you have my number? This is winding me right up, right? I thought, I'm done with this. Let me message her and find out. So I said, is this your account? Do you have another one? I think it's possibly been hacked. Let me know. I got a message at 4:30 in the morning. Is this really you? I said, please either reset your password if this isn't you or contact Instagram and tell them someone has hacked your account. Now, Instagram, guys, when someone hacks your Instagram account, you can't get it back for ages. Like, what is up with this? Like, do you know how to get your Instagram account back if someone hacks it? Please put it in the comments. I want to know how you do this. My friend, her account has still been hacked. She's got over 1,000 followers. And I mean, it's her personal account anyway. But still, someone's got all your information. If I've got stuff on there, like, it's just an invasion of privacy. Who do these hackers think they are? So she said, hi there, hope you're well. I did tell everyone on Facebook to unfriend and report the page as I was hacked before Christmas. I was like, oh, I didn't see that. She said, I've also been trying to contact Instagram to report the page, but have failed. Do you know how to do it? So this was end of January that she was messaging me, and it was before Christmas that it was hacked. So it was 2 months already. Someone had hacked her account, and she still couldn't get it back. How? She's asking me now. How do I do it? How can you do this? She's like, they're dangerous, those hackers. I said, they really are. I got an email to change my password from Instagram. Hey, this is how clever they are. So because I responded, I don't know how he got my email, I suppose. And my page isn't private, so anyone can friend my page. I mean, I'm doing curls by Sharlene, so it's not going to be a private page. I'm happy for people to friend me and talk about stuff. I'm sorry about my glasses. I didn't realize they were still there. Anyway, I just wanted to share with you this crazy scenario where people scam and try and make like they're your friends when they're not. Click on a link. Never click on links. I was not going to click on any link. But then I responded. The other thing is, don't ever give them your phone number. There's this other scam where people are like, oh, I've lost your number, could you send me it? Don't give anyone your phone number. You don't know who these people are, you don't know what they're up to. They can change passwords, they can do all sorts. They are hackers. This is their job, professional job of a hacker. If you're a hacker and you're watching this, please stop this. I know it's probably only one of you, but oh, I'm so done. I am so done. I did not need this. Anyway, I just wanted to share with you, don't fall for it. Have a good day, and I'll see you in my next video. I do all the tips and tricks about curls and such. Please like this video, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell button so you're notified every time I post a new video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Anyway, I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Curls by Sharlene. Bye.